Want to learn how to grow a tree from a pine cone? I've been wanting to do this project for a couple years and finally got around to it. Easy supplies with just some planters. I found this container at the Goodwill, which I thought was really cool, but I do recommend using one that has drain holes in the bottom. Go ahead and fill up your container with soil up to the top and smooth it out. And then go on a nature walk and pick up some fresh pine cones this fall. You can put them in a paper bag and slip them into the freezer for a while. They seem to need that freezing. I tried planting them directly into the soil and it wouldn't work until I froze them. Then give the bag a really good shake and get out all of the seeds and debris. Look at those seeds, aren't they cool? I did go ahead and press a pine cone in just for looks, and then I took some of those seeds and pressed them in and covered them up with the soil. Alright, now you have to be patient. There's a tree in there, you know. You've got to wait a little while. Water them every day, and in about a week or less maybe, those seeds are going to sprout. Isn't that seed stuck on the top funny? It looks like a hat. It took a whole day to get out. But then it started to grow, and isn't it amazing? Look, even more shoots came up. So this post is how to grow a tree from a pine cone. All of the tips and suggestions can be found at welcometonanas.com. Come on over and join, and then you can be a part of the fun.